Hi everyone, Seb Chaps here, and today we're going to talk about Conceal-Assistant and how to install it. So first we're going to open our web browser and we're going to go to github.com on the Conceal-Assistant page. At first we're going to copy the link to download it, so that's going to be done for later. And we're going to scroll down to be able to read the README file where we've got all the instructions, and we're going to follow those step by step. We're going to put those on the side of our screen so we can refer to them later. And we're going to start our virtual machine. Our virtual machine is started. We are using a virtual machine because we've got Conceal-Assistant already running on our CCX-BOX and we don't want to mess up everything. So here, for this demonstration, we're going to be using a virtual machine. We're going to do the update later. I just freshly installed it. So at first we're going to go in the terminal. For that we can go here on Show Application and click on Terminal. We can also click on Ctrl-Alt-T to open a terminal window. Let's resize that. And at first we're going to type sudo apt update. We're going to need to type our password here. Give it a few seconds. Next, we're going to have to install Node.js. Type Y for yes here. Next, we're going to install npm. Same thing, yes. It's pretty fast actually. And at last we're gonna install nodemon and we're gonna install it globally. So for that, sudo npm I for install, _g for globally, and nodemon. Hit enter. Same thing, few seconds. And now from here we're going to be able to paste the link we copied previously. It looks like I have to redo my copy and paste here. So we copy and paste our link, hit enter, and it's downloaded already. Now we're going to go in Conceal-Assistant folder. For that we're just going to change directory with the command cd Conceal-Assistant. And from here, we're going to have to install the dependencies. And for that, we're going to type npm space install. Let's clear the screen. And let's try to run Conceal-Assistant. We may have to reboot, we'll see. So to run Conceal-Assistant, we just have to type npm, actually we're going to type sudo npm run assistant. Okay, so the assistant is started now, telling us it's listening a request on HTTP localhost port 3500. So we're gonna open our web browser, Safari here, and we're gonna go to this address. First time opening this web browser on this virtual machine. Oh, unable to connect. Maybe we're gonna give it a few more seconds. Let's try again. Yes, here it is. Let's log in first. Put our username and our password. And here we've got access to the main page of Conceal-Assistant. Since it's a virtual machine, there's no node running at the moment, no miner running at the moment, so that's why both are showing not active. We would have to install them, of course, to be able to check on their status. Et voilà, you've got Conceal-Assistant installed. Thank you for watching.